Yeah, so welcome to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord. Yeah, you can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can trade on OKX exchange, and I will leave my referral link in the description. If you use my referral link for registration, you'll be getting 10% bonus from it. Yeah, so I'll leave the link in the description and in the bio. Just click on it and register with my referral link and get a 10% bonus. And after using my referral link too, you can chat me and I will send you free signal for 3 days. I will send you free signal for 3 days. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can trade futures on OKX. Yeah, so when I come to my account right now, I'm in trade and I'm in today's PN, I'm in negative 0.56. That means I'm losing. But one thing about trading is that you have to be emotionally strong. You have to be what? Emotionally strong. Emotionally, you have to be strong. You have to be what? Emotionally strong. Don't just say, hey, my money is finished, my money is going down, then you withdraw. No, don't do that. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can trade on OKS. So after okay, when you come to OKS right now, you can buy crypto using the P2P market. If you're in Ghana, you can buy it P2P or Express over here. Yeah. So after buying your crypto, the money will be in your fund wallet. So the fund wallet is different from the trading wallet. So if you want to trade, you have to put the money in the trading wallet. So you can go to the transfer here and transfer money from funding to to trading to use it to trade. So after that, you come to your trade over here. Trade over here. So trade over here, we have the spot and future. Right now, it's currently in futures. So if you don't know how to put in futures, let me show you. You can go to here, click on there, and you can see future trading, spot trading, put in future trading here. Yeah, and you see a future trading. So currently, I'm in a trade, and BTC, I'm in negative 3.9, and SRP, I'm in plus 0.27. And people say, like, how much do you put in to get this this thing? Yeah, so one thing about trade is that you higher the capital, the higher the returns. So I'm using just $50 to trade. Yeah, so I just closed one. I was trading Solana and I earned $3 profit on it. Yeah, so I will show you how I place trade over here. So if I come here, you see that we have isolated or this thing. So we have isolated or cross. Mostly people put it on cross, but me, I choose isolated because isolated means that when you put the money, let's say if I'm using $50 to trade, when let's say it hits top loss, and all the money finish, it will not jump straight to my available balance. But when it's in cross, unless I'm in trade and the trade is not hitting stop loss, but the money inside is finishing, it will jump straight to the available balance. That's why I always choose isolated. And this is the leverage. So the leverage at times it depends on your capital, and it tends to depends on how fast you want to make money and how fast you want to lose money. Yeah, so we have we have up to 100 times leverage. So so the 100 times leverage, you'll be making more money when it's, let's say if you're going short and it's going short, you'll be making more money. It will go fast. But when it's in times 10, you'll be making small money, and if you're losing too, you'll be losing small money. That's why we call it leverage. Yeah, so as a beginner with a small capital, at least I'll advise you to go in for, let's say, 10 times. Yeah, 10 times. If you don't want to cry early, 10 times is okay. And one thing I love about okay is that, like, when their fees and everything are very low, that's why I love OKX. Yeah, so and mostly people also prefer limit order, but me, I prefer market order. I want to trade with the market order. Yeah, or the market price. Yeah, so if you want to trade, so let's say I have $10 in my account right now. If I choose 100, all this one will be placed in the trade. If I choose half of the $13 will be what placed in the trade. Yeah, and you take the TP and the stop loss. It means that take profit and stop loss. Yeah, so if I'm going, let's say, short for BTC, my take profit will be 11500 because I'm going short. So it means that I'm predicting that the market will be falling. So if it falls to 115k and I'm even not online to close trade, it will close the trade automatic for me. Yeah. And the stop loss means that, like, if I'm saying I'm going to short and it's going long, that means I'm losing money. So I'll set that 115, and you have to set the stop loss close to your market order or market price in order not to lose much. So the stop loss will be, let's say, 500. So 115,500. So it means that if it go long to 115,500, I have to close the trade for me so that I will not be losing much. So it's best for you to set stop loss close to your entry, not order close, but in order, if it hits stop loss, you will not be losing much. So always your stop loss have to be closer to your market entry. Yeah. Then you place short or long. So this one, there's TP and SL set is for short. So I'll place short. You see that I'll place short. Yeah. But I don't want to trade. I'm already in BTC trade. I go long. I go long because the first trade I placed was short. Yeah, and this one I go long. And right now the PNL is negative 2.36%. So I'm down with 0.56 because it's going down short. And I placed that it will be going long. So I'm down. And the SRP2 I place short. I place short. All the trade I place short, and I made money. And I wanted to go long because when I read my chart, I thought it would be going long, but I thought it would be going long for me. Yeah, I'm positive. Yeah. So right now you can see that I have hit stop loss. So I've hit stop loss and it have exit the market for me. Yeah, so you can see that right now it have exit the market for me. Yeah, you see. So I lost 0.5 USDT, not even one USDT. That's why I'm saying that always you have to set your stop loss close to your what to to your market entry in order if it hits stop loss you will not be losing much. So if you want to know how to set stop loss and stuff, I'm here to go. Yeah, so right now it's left with SRP in the trade. So I've closed, like, today I've hit 5 take profit, yeah, and one stop loss, yeah. So I'm still in the trade. Yeah, I was having 50 right now. I'm having 99 point something, yeah. And trading my trading balance is 49.15 right now. So it's left with SRP for me to close so that I can sleep. It's 3:35 a.m. right now. Yeah. So if this one hits take profit, then I'm out. Yeah. So this is how you do your trade. You place your trade on OKX, and one thing is that their their closing rates are very good. That's why I'll urge you all to use OKX. I have their link in the description. Let's trade with OKX, and I will give you free 3 days signals. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.